what the media is not telling you about the mortgage and real estate market. That we're going to talk about next. Hey there, my name is Ryan Skaggs, and this is the Mortgage Minute. This channel is dedicated to everything mortgage, real estate, and interest rates, and we're going to start with those interest rates. So as the kind of beginning of this video, I said, what is the media not telling you? Did you realize that we are at a 60-day low in interest rates? So we are currently at 6.27. That is a 60-day low. We saw one little lull there back in early February that kind of dipped below that. But if you look back over outside of that 1 to 2 week little stretch there, we're actually at the lowest spot we've been in even a longer period of time, closer to 90 or 120 days, maybe even dating back to October, November, when we saw our high-end rates over the last 10 years. So that was 7.08 according to Freddie Mac. You can check out the link below. I've got the average 30-year fixed according to Freddie Mac on a great chart there. They do a wonderful job of putting together a survey and kind of showing you in a chart-based version of where interest rates have been. So again, that link is below. While you're down there, I'd be forever grateful. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and click that bell icon to be notified. Putting out weekly videos on the channel. Over 80% of you are not subscribed. I'd be forever grateful. So one of the things that the media is not telling you is that we are at a 90-day buyer demand high, right? So in the last 90 days, now I'm in the Chicagoland market, snow is off the ground, so usually we get a little bit of a hotter market, so that is not crazy to think about. But over the entire country, we're at a 90-day or 3-month high in terms of buyer demand. We are at a 60-day low in terms of interest rates. So it's really starting to spur a lot more buyers into the market, a lot more offers. Today is Friday, the 14th of April, so mid-April. And I can't tell you, my entire morning has been just filled with people making offers potentially today or this weekend. So with that said, though, I've got a question for you all out there. So has these higher rates, has that held you to your current property? If you're sitting there with the 2.75 and you own a home, are you choosing not to look at that next home because you have such a great rate? I'd love to hear in the comments below if you're doing so. And if you're looking to purchase a home and maybe you currently don't own one, are you waiting for rates to lower? If so, that's a whole nother video, because I think now is a great time to be able to get in there. Now, it is individualized to your metro market of what's going on in terms of home prices. So that is one thing you have to kind of better understand to really make an informed decision. But one of the things I really kind of generally want to say is, look at what the media is telling us right now. And that is not that buyer demand is high and interest rates have actually come down, right? Now, they talk about the Fed, they talk about these other things, and we all know interest rates are considerably higher than they were just a few short years ago. But wanted to get that out there, at least in terms of information. I'd love to hear from you. Have you kind of chained yourself to your current property or your current home because of those interest rates? I've definitely had a lot of clients say that, but I'm also looking at clients that are looking at it from a monthly payment perspective. And this would be my advice for you as well, is that look at a monthly payment of what you get for that next property, right? If you get that extra bedroom or that extra basement or that bigger yard, what does that equate to on a monthly payment? And is that of value to you and your family, right? So if you're looking at a condo, do you get a second bedroom? Do you get this? Do you get that? Do you get a better location and a shorter commute? There's always a monetary value tied to these things, right? So again, I'd love to hear in the comments below, has interest rates slowed you down? Has having a low interest rate on your current home definitely pumped the brakes for you? And if so, are you going to get back in? And when? If rates go down to, say, 5, would you jump back into the market? Curious to hear from you all. I really appreciate the time today. Again, what the media is not telling us is that we are actually in a pretty darn hot market. I've done a video, and I will post above here to a previous video in terms of multiple offers and things like that, just to kind of give you a sense of that as well. So thanks so much. Check out these 2 videos that are going to pop up next for you. Click that subscribe, stay safe, and we'll see each other again very, very soon.